Today we are going to see how can you back up your WordPress site with UpdraftPlus. Okay, let's open our browser. Let's log into our website. This is our website that we are going to back up. Let's have a look at all the pages. Okay, let's go to the dashboard first, then plugins, add new plugin, search for Updraft. Let's click install now. Okay, it's installed. Let's activate it now. Let's go to the settings. Settings. We are going to select the daily backup schedule. We are going to keep up to 7 copies of the backup. We are going to save it to the Google Drive. Everything is done. Now let's save. Now we do have to authenticate it with our Google Drive. Okay, continue. Allow all. Continue. So the authentication is done. Now let's back up our site. It will take some time for the backup. Okay, so the backup is finished. Here is our backup. Let's have a look on our Google Drive. We do have all the backups here uploaded on our Google Drive. This one is the database, others, plugins, upload, and themes. And this is the backup schedule. Let's go to dashboard again. Let's delete some pages. We are going to select all the pages and delete them. So essentially, we do not have any more pages on our website right now. Let's have a look. Yes, the website looks completely broken. All our pages are gone. Now let's restore our backup. Updraft, restore, plugins, theme, uploads, others, and database. Hit next. It is currently downloading all the backups from my Google Drive. It is almost done. And now let's restore it. Wait until the process is done. It is done. Let's go back to dashboard and delete our old folders. Okay, everything is done. Let's go to dashboard again. And let's have a look if we have successfully restored the pages. Yes, now have all the pages restored. As you can see, we do have all of the same pages that we had earlier. This is how you backup and restore with Updraft.